Hello students, welcome to Saurav Sir's classes. The question is, if A, B and C are distinct natural numbers less than 25, what is the maximum possible value of mod A minus B plus mod B minus C minus mod C minus A? Now, for 3 points, say P, Q, R on the number line, the distances are mod of P minus Q, mod of Q minus R, and mod of R minus P. Now for us, in this case, we are trying to find out the value, or rather the maximum value of mod A minus B plus mod B minus C minus mod C minus A. Now, if B lies between A and C, the above value would be 0. So B should not be between A and C. The best case scenario would be if A and C were very close to each other and far from B. Let us try B equals 24, A equal to 1 and C is equal to 2. In this case, no, and let this expression be x. So in this case, x would be 23 plus 22 minus 1, that is 44. Or say we could also take another combination where B is equal to 1, A is equal to 24 and C equals 23. Then again x comes out to be 23 plus 22 minus 1, that is 44. So the maximum possible value is option A, 44. The next question is, for what values of x is the function root over x squared minus 6x minus 40 defined in the real domain? So the function would be defined in the real domain if and only if x squared minus 6x minus 40 greater than is equal to 0 for it to be in the real domain. And for x squared minus 6x minus 40 less than 0, the function will be imaginary. Now let us find out range of values for which x squared minus 6x minus 40 greater than is equal to 0. So on factorizing, we get x minus 10 into x plus 4 greater than 0. Now the expression x minus 10 into x plus 4 will be greater than or equal to 0 when both x minus 10 and x plus 4 are greater than or equal to 0 or both are less than or equal to 0. So either x minus 10 greater than 0 and x plus 4 greater than 0, or x minus 10 less than 0 and x plus 4 less than 0. Now for this case, when both are greater than 0, it needs to be that x greater than is equal to 10 and x greater than is equal to minus 4. So to satisfy both these criteria, we need to take x greater than is equal to 10. So x greater than is equal to 10. And for case 2, we'll get x less than 10 or x less than minus 4. So to satisfy this criteria, we'll need x less than minus 4. Hence, the range in which the given function will be defined in the real domain will be when x does not lie between minus 4 and 10. The correct option is option D.